Good morning everybody, Tracy and Pearl here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our advent kit, and we are up to day 12. Day 12, and it's another fun envelope. I wonder, my Pearl, what is inside day 12?
I think I know.
What do you think it is?
A die.
You think it's a die? You were trying to guess it on day 11. Let's find out what's in day 12. Could be a die, maybe. Let's have a look.
I'll get it out. Oh, I was right.
It's a die that matches your stamp from yesterday. So this die will fussy cut out your stamp. How fabulous. Well done, Pearly. I love it. We're getting close. Not many sleeps till Christmas now. Are you excited for Christmas, Pearl?
Yeah.
I'm excited for Christmas too. See you tomorrow.